Hello, fam. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the time zone you are turning in from. You already know my name is AboAG001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to see my video. Seriously, happy new week. Happy new week to all my fans, my subscribers, and my new subscribers. Happy new week. May this week may the favor of this week be with us. May we succeed, and may the happiness of this week be with us. You already know this is new week, and what we do for new week, we do our daily analysis from monthly time frame. You understand? New week, I think, as I used to say, new week does not. It's not about monthly. It's not about daily analysis. It's about weekly. The forecast of the week of the week. Yeah, with the forecast of the week. That's what we do on from Monday. From Tuesday, we start from our daily time frame. But from Monday, we start from monthly and weekly for the key level. From Tuesday, we used to start from daily time frame. So let's quickly see what is happening. You already know, before we enter into the market, we check maybe there is high impact news, or maybe there is no high impact news for fundamental analysis. Yes, these are fundamental analysis, and you can see there is still war. The war is still happening. Like me now, I open trade on Friday and Euro USD. Yeah, I did not drop Friday on Friday, yes, because I am not too around. So the time I came back from the time I came back from the out from the time I came back, the time I was gone. So I couldn't bother to do to do video again. So let's quickly see. You can see there is no impact news on Monday. We do not have impact on USA and Euro. So let's quickly move to into the chart and see what the chart has for us. What is going to happen now is that let's say what is happening on the chart is that you can see this is what is happening on the chart. The war is still going. Like me now, as I said before, on Friday I opened trade on Friday, which is I'm expecting the market to buy. You understand? I bought the market on Friday. Yeah, and the market is going in my favor. So I left it that Monday it will continue the bullish, not knowing that the war that happened yesterday, the war that happened that US bomb Iran. Sorry for that. US bomb Iran refinery affected the market. So I later hit stop trade. So also like $5. So there's nothing I can do for the market. There's nothing I can do. That's what the market does. So let's quickly move into let's see what's happening for monthly time frame. For monthly time frame, you can see what the market is telling us. We are staying in bullish, and this is what the market is telling us. On monthly time frame, this is our key level. The key level is where the market where there is multiple rejection. This is multiple rejection, and where the market start and the retrace point and the retrace point. Yes, you can see this is the retrace point of the market, and this is the retrace point of the market. You can see, yes, you can see that is the point of the market. And let's move to, you can see we are in bullish. Let's move to weekly time frame. Today video is going to long, seriously. This is weekly time frame. This is what we do on key level. See, this is what this is the point where the market started what selling. So you can see this is where the market started what selling, and this is the way the market started what buying, and this is what previous key level. Previous key level. This is where this place is a point also where the market started. The point where the market started, the retrace point. This is the retrace point. You can see the retrace point. This is where the market started selling, and this is where the market buying, and this is where the market selling. That's our key level. Yes, that's our key level. And you already know we are in what? We are in bullish on weekly time frame. We move to daily time frame. What do we do on daily time frame? We try to see what is happening, our swing low and our swing high. The highest, the higher high of the market on daily time frame, you can see this is the highest higher of the market on daily time frame, and this is what this is the higher low of the market. Market is in what is the in between the what the swing low and the swing high. You can see market is in between the swing low and the swing high. Let's move to daily time frame. What are we seeing on daily time frame? This is what market is doing on daily time frame. You can see this is what the market is doing on daily time frame. What we are seeing now, we are seeing break of structure here. We are seeing supply zone market reacted. Sorry for that. This is the supply zone market reacted. You can see this is the where the market was reacted. This is the supply zone. This is the supply zone where the market reacted, and this is where the market started buying. This is demand. You can see we have on daily time frame. See on daily time frame, we see we have change of character. We have break of structure. You can see this is the last break of structure we have on daily time frame. This is the last. This is the last break of structure we have on daily time frame. Internal break of structure, and market is in what is in between the swing low and the swing high. And if you move to daily time frame, this is what daily time frame is telling us. This is what we are having on daily time frame. You can see this is what we are having on daily time frame. This is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure, and we are still having last break of structure. We are still having break of structure here. But that plays out as liquidity for me because market. Let me see if the market reduces 50% or what. If the market not reduces 50%, if market is maybe it's valid. But this serve as liquidity because there's FEG or serve as liquidity. Market so this liquidity continue the whole trend. So what we are seeing now on markets, this is what we are seeing on market. This is where the buyer where this way where the seller started selling. This is the can see this is the last internal break of struggle to downtrend. Internal break of struggle to downtrend, and we are having what we are having other block here. This is where the seller entered the market. Other block. This is what we are having. Let's move to this is what I having. We're having that trend on what? Because markets reach this supply zone. That's why markets retraced to down. So we got the patient seriously. We got the patient before we take anything. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. We can see market is in between the what? This this low, and there is FEG here. This will serve as liquidity for me if market wants to continue downtrend. If market started continuing downtrend, this serve as liquidity for me. Seriously, this will serve as liquidity for the market to say and continue downtrend. Let's just see where yeah, as for now, there is no opportunity as for me. But let me just tell you something. This is what I'm seeing because we are having FED here. There is opportunity here. If market is trying to come back, there is opportunity here. There's other opportunity there. Because this is our liquidity. I'm seeing liquidity here. This is our liquidity. If this supply is too slow, this is going to be the buy. You guys see this is going to be the buy. But as for now, let's just see what market is doing. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour is not giving us structure, but we are seeing set from here. We are seeing set from here. You can see we are seeing set from there. Let's see if this set is going to happen above the supply zone here. So we are seeing set from there. Let's see if the set is going to happen. This is what I'm seeing on the market. We guys be patient for the market. Seriously, we don't need to rush. Let's just be patient. Seriously, this is what market is giving us, and this is where we can buy. If the market is coming back here, there's opportunity here. The market is going to be able to buy. So let's move to 1 hour. This is the same thing 1 hour is telling us. If market want to come here, this place is going to push it down because this place serve as liquidity for me. All these serve as liquidity for me. All these serve as liquidity for you. But if market may come here, behold, there's liquidity there here too also. There is liquidity here and there is liquidity here also. So we don't know which market is going to sweep before continuing up here. But if market sweep this liquidity, market is coming here. But if market sweep this liquidity, market is going uptrend. That is what we have in. So let's see. Well, for today, we are not see opportunity. So what market is doing, market is consolidating. Let me just give you the example where market is going to this last week Thursday. Because this is let's say Monday. This is Monday. This is where the market started. Yeah. This is where the market started. This is the market started. So let's move to 15-minute time frame. You can see market is in between the trend. So there is no opportunity for today. There is no opportunity. I did not see any opportunity. So we are just stay away from the market. Let we not chase the market. We just let the market was print out what it has for us and take our entry. This is what we are having on Sliver also. For monthly time frame, you can see market is in what? It's in bullish. Those are the key level. This is the way the market. This is the retracing points. This is the retracing point. These are the retracing points. This is multiple rejection. So for our key level, where the market started selling, or you can see this is where the market started selling. And this is where the tracy point where the market started selling, the starting point. Let's move to weekly time frame. Since we know that it's uptrend, let's move to weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. This is our tracing point here. You can see, and these are what the tracing points here. Let's just see what the market is trying to for us. See, you can see you can see what market is trying to do for us. These are the tracing points. These are our key level, and this is the previous one. So you can say this is the previous one because market it will serve as multiple rejection. This key level will serve as multiple rejection. You can see it will serve as multiple rejection. Let's move to key level for daily time frame. This is daily time frame. This is our swing high and our swing low. You can see market is in between the both. You can see market is in between the both, and on daily time frame, this is what we are having. We are having what? We are having internal break of structure here. We are having internal break of structure here. And what we are having here, we are having change of character here. This is change of character. Change of character, internal change of character. From daily time frame, and market is in between the swing high and the swing low. And this is where the market is on this FET. on this FEG. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. You can see market is in what? Market is giving us bullish. This is what the market is giving us. And on 4 hour time frame, let's see where the market is traded. This is the supply. This is the supply market expected. This supply. This is the supply market expected. Market not mitigated, but it's expected as supply. And let's see what is happening. This is what is happening on data. We are having what break of structure here, and we are having what we are having FED here. There's other block here in which market came back here, continue the what? Continue the bullish. In which if market came back here, market is continuing the what? Is continue the bullish. But let's see the recent trend. This is the recent trend. This is the last break of structure, and this will be change of character. And this change of character also give us what? Also give us break of structure for here. You can see this is the break of structure. In which market is in what? Market is in. Let's see if market there is what? There is other block here, and there is what? There is liquidity over here. There is liquidity there. If market can come back here, we follow the recent trend. That is what is happening. We follow the recent trend. This is what the recent trend is telling us, and we are buying from, and we are selling here, and we are buying from here. We are buying from this other block, and all these are serve as liquidity as for me. You can see this serve as liquidity. We did not know which liquidity market is going to take out before continuing the trend. And we did not know maybe this market will take out this liquidity first, come back here, or take out this liquidity for continuing the uptrend. See, this is what we are having. Let's see what the market will do. So as for today, there is no opportunity. I don't chase the market. I don't force myself. I don't force myself to take any opportunity. I just wait for confirmation opportunity before I take any trade. But if you can see, the market is what is consolidating. Market is consolidating. Let's just wait for the market and take what is taking. We go to 15 minutes, you can see what market is doing. The best thing is to just to wait for your opportunity. The best thing, if person want to succeed in this business, is the only way to succeed in this business is just wait for your opportunity and take your opportunity. That's what is going to happen. Let's just move to what USDT. You can see this is what we have on A AGUSD and AGUSD and XAUUSD. This is what we are having. All this is what we are having. Is either market took this liquidity out, take the sell, or took this liquidity out and take the what? Take the buy. The reason why what market is because there is key level here. You can see this is weekly key level on silver also. There is weekly key level there. Market is expecting this key level. We do not know, maybe it's going to take this liquidity out. We will continue the uptrend, but guys wait for the market. Let's just wait for this market, for this our trap. If you see market came back, if you see market come here, that means we are buying. If you see market come back here, that means we are selling. Let's now go to US30. What is going to happen in US30? This is US30 pair. Like for monthly time frame, what are we going to do on monthly time frame? This is monthly time frame. This is our key level. You can see this is the multiple rejection. You can see market first it touches, market touches again. That is multiple rejection. That's our key level. This is our key level here, and this is our key level over here also. You can see this is our key level. This is our key level here also. This is where the market. This is the turning point. Yes, this is the turning point. You can see the turning point. This is where the turning point is. This is multiple rejection. For key level, we use turning point instead of what the a tracing point. That's what I call it. But this is the exciting statement I want to use for before using retracing point. That multi time payment is turning point. You can see this is turning point. You can if you the turning point is where the candle is what 1, 2, 3. You can see 1, 2, 3. It means this is exactly turning point. This one you can see this is turning point because it has indicated this way. So this is our key level or what on monthly time frame. These are our key level on monthly time frame. Let's now move to weekly time frame also. Weekly time frame, yeah, this is our turning point. You can see this is our turning point. This is our first turning point. 1, 2, 3. These are our turning points, and these are our turning points also. So all these ones are serve as liquidity. If you check the previous, maybe I think maybe Wednesday or Thursday that I did Friday that the reason why market is coming back is because let's move to the daily time frame. These are our turning points. These are our turning points also, but there will be what there will be multiple what distraction on the market. So this is the exciting turning point and this is the exciting turning point. All these ones are internal multiple rejection. You can see these are key level also because it's multiple rejection inside it. And let's move to daily time frame. These are our swing high and these are our swing low. Let's move this will be exactly our swing low now. This will be exactly our swing low. The reason why I say you can see this is last break of structure. All these one are trend what trend trend liquidity. You can see this is trend liquidity because there's FEG here. So market has came back to this FEG. This will serve as our what our demand zone. This will serve as our demand zone. This our demand zone. But market has touched this FEG, has touched this FEG. Market continue to this is our demand zone here. These are our main demand zone because this is the swing low and the swing high. All these ones are liquidity. Market have turned the have sweat the liquidity. Let's now move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see where the opportunity is. This is 4 hour time frame. You can see this is the retracement on that. This is the retracement, which means this is downtrend. This is downtrend. Let's now see what market is trying to do because we guys be patient on this because there's no FEG here. So there's no FEG. This one we have closed. This is where the market is. This last NDT. So and let's see where we can see the opportunity. This is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure. Final break of structure. This is the other block. Let's let's be focused very well. This is the change of this is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure. And this is another break of structure here. You can see this is another break of structure here also. We guys be patient too. Seriously, we guys be patient. And since the market is going down trend, and this is where the other block is because we can see there is FEG here. This is where the other block is. We guys be patient. Seriously, if we want to succeed, we don't need to rush into the market. Seriously, we just need to follow our process and set the trap. Since we have noticed the recent trend, but we guys be patient on this key on because market is in key level zone. This is demand zone. Seriously, this is demand zone, and you can see the demand zone is fairly large. Let's now move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what is happening on 1 hour time frame. This is what is happening on 1 hour time frame. After market mitigated this demand zone, you can see this is where the market is going up. This is where the market is going. This is opportunity here. This is the opportunity. This is where the opportunity is. So let's see what the market is trading. If we want to take this trade on 15-minute time frame, let's see what's the market doing. This is 15-minute time frame. This is what market is doing. Market is telling us we are buying. The market is telling us we are buying. This is buy. This is buy. So if we want to take this sell, we got to be patient on this sell. This sell, we got to be patient because we don't know what market is trying to do. If we are selling from here, this is the opportunity. But we got to be patient very well. You guys be patient because the reason why I said without way because the market is in demand zone, and this is the demand zone that the demand zone is very strong. This the demand zone is from what is from higher time frame, which is the what daily time frame, and the demand zone is very strong. The demand zone is very strong. You can say market can come back here, mitigate this place before continuing the uptrend. But let's just be patient. Let's just be patient. This is the recent opportunity we are seeing now. This is the recent opportunity we are seeing now. If market can give us the sell, but we got be patient to this way. But if we see the market break this place, it will retest and move here. That's what we are seeing. Because there's FEG up. You can see from daily time frame there's FEG, there's opportunity up. So let's see what this 1 hour is going to tell us. This is what we are seeing on 1 hour time frame. Let's just wait and see. This is what we are on more on 15-minute time frame. If you want to take this buy, you can just take this buy because this is what the buy is giving us. This is the last break of and the buy is what is going up. The market is just going up. This you can see this is the opportunity. Market is just going up. If you want to take this buy, you can take this buy. But as for me, you can see this liquidity here. Um, this is liquidity here. So market is going to fill up this gap. So let's just say we are selling from here. Let's move to GU. This is GU. Let's see what's happening on GU. This is what is happening on GU. You can see this is multiple rejection. This is the first rejection. This is the second. This is the market indicated and continuing. This is key level for us. And this is key level also. This is the first toss, second toss. This is multiple rejection. The key level is where we're the turning point and the multiple rejection. That's what we are looking for on key level. And if you can see that trend, this is multiple rejection on that trend. This which means market is in what is an uptrend for monthly time frame. Let's move to weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, these are our turning points on weekly time frame. You can see this is turning point. This is multiple rejection key level here. This is multiple rejection key level here. You can see the multiple rejection key level. I want to say this very well, so I'm sorry. I want it to. This is you can see this is multiple rejection key level on what on weekly time frame, and this is what this is. You can see this is turning point. This is turning point key level. One, 2, 3. This is where the market turn point. You can see from blue, and this is our multiple rejection. This is another turning point here. So market has mitigated from weekly time frame. You can see there is no opportunity. Market has mitigated all this key level. So let's now move to weekly time frame. What we are doing on weekly time frame is only just our swing high and our swing low. This is our swing high. This is the last break of structure. You can see market is in uptrend. This is the last break of structure. This is the swing low that give us this swing high. And this is the swing low that give us this swing high. So definitely we are what we are in that we are definitely we are in uptrend. But what market is doing, this is what market is doing now. We guys be patient on this market. This is our demand zone. This place is our demand zone. This is where the market started buying from. This is where the buyer enter. This is demand zone. All this one is just our break of structure, and this are other block. These are our other block. Let's see if market can respect. These are our other block. And what we are seeing on daily time frame, this is the last break of structure on daily time frame. Sorry for that. This is the last break of structure on daily time frame. You can see this is the last break of structure on daily time frame. I'm sorry for that. This is the last break. I don't know what happened to my mouse. This is the last break of structure on daily time frame, which is, you can see this is what we are having. Our market is in downtrend. You can see this is what market is about. This we saw as liquidity for me because there is what? There is FEG up here. There is FEG up here. I don't know what happened to my mouse. I'm coming. I think this way is smooth. Yeah, there's FEG here. There's FEG over here. So let's see what market is trying to do. See, my market has not mitigated this other blow. I'm seeing this little, but market has already so let's move to for 4 hours time frame. Let's see the recent trend of 4 hour time frame. You can see the recent trend of 4 hour time frame. This is what 4 hours time frame is trying to tell us. This is the last break of structure. On 4 hours time frame, this is the last break of structure. The on 4 hours time frame is follow the recent trend to continue. Since we have known on daily time frame that this is where we are buying, you understand? This is where we are buying the market. This is where the buyer starts. This is where the buyer is going to enter. On daily time frame, this is what is happening. This is what happened on 4 hours time frame. This is what happened on 4 hour time frame. We are having other block here. And market showing this liquidity over here. You can see, and what we are happy market is going to give us. So you guys be patient. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's happening. This is what happened. Due to the war that's happened, that's why the market came back downtrend. You can see. That is why the market came back to downtrend. Seriously. So we got patient on this market. We got be patient, but if you see market broken this place, definitely it will retest and continue. There's daily time frame FEG here. So market will mitigate that daily time frame FEG before we can see any opportunity. You can see. This is our liquidity. So let's just wait. Let's just wait for market to be broken this place. After market, because we can see we still have FEG here. There's opportunity up. There's opportunity up. Let's just see. This is the recent. I don't know what happened to my mouse now. This is what we are seeing. Let's just see. This is what we are seeing because what I'm seeing now, this is like liquidity here. That the market is in support, supporting it to the resistance. This will start from support and resistance. So let's just see what market is doing. So let's if market broken this place with full body candle, it will retest and continue the option to mitigate it. FED. Sorry for that. Let's see 15 minutes. Maybe there is a opportunity of 15 minutes also. There is no opportunity yet. So as I used to say, we don't force ourselves to the market. So we just wait for the market to give us what we see and we act on it. Let's move to EU also. This is EU. For monthly time frame, these are multiple rejection key level. These are multiple rejection key level. And this where the market started turning point. This is another multiple rejection on key level. As in this is multiple rejection on key level here. This is multiple rejection key level here. Market continuing the uptrend. And this is where we are expecting the market to react. Let's just see what market is doing. So let's move to weekly time frame. This weekly time, these are multiple rejection, and these are key level here over here. Same. All those key level are multiple rejection. Multiple. This is what the market is giving us. This is the last week of structure. You can see. Let's just see what the market is trying to give us here. Let's move to the daily time frame. Let's see what's up on the daily time frame. This is what is happening on daily time frame. This is our what? This is our swing low, and this is our swing high. And this is where all these are demand zone, because that is where the market started buying. This is where the market started buying. These are our demand zone. Since we have seen our demand zone on daily time frame, let's now move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what is happening on 4 hour time frame. Because on daily time frame we have seen our recent break of structure that we are in uptrend. On 4 hours time frame, let's see what 4 hours time frame. This 4 hour time frame, this is the last break of structure on 4 hour time frame market created. You can see this is the last break of structure. Let's see, maybe we have AFEG opportunity on daily time frame. There's no opportunity there. This is where the FEG is. You can see this is the last break of structure on daily time frame. Market is there is still opportunity to buy on daily time frame same, because this is the last break of structure daily time frame, and this is another opportunity. All these are what internal opportunity. Let's move to 4 hours. On 4 hours, let's redefine this opportunity. We have redefined it. And on 4 hours, what do we have on 4 hours? This is what we are having on 4 hours. This is the last break of structure on 4 hours. And this is where the opportunity is. This is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure in 4 hours also. And this is where the opportunity is. This is other block here. Because this other block has FEG over here. This FEG have other block. So if we are selling from here, let's see all these ones have as liquidity. All these have as liquidity for me. So definitely we are selling if market is that place, because there's FEG here. So we are selling. But we guys be patient, as I used to say. We guys be patient, because market is in that time frame zone. So we guys be patient. We don't know what's going to happen. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is what is happening on 1 hour time frame also. You can see this is the opportunity. Let's redefine it. On 1 hour time frame, we just redefine the opportunity because of the stop loss. This other block is for daily. This was for 4 hours. So let's see the opportunity. You can see what the opportunity is telling us we are buying. Market is telling us we are buying safe. This is how we question. Market is telling us we are buying, but we got be patient on this market. Seriously, we got be patient. Let's move to hey, my mouse house. Then let's not use this. Yeah. So this is what the market is showing. If market read this, maybe it will react. Let's see what the market is trying to do. Let's move to 15 minutes. If you can see opportunity of 15 minutes. This is what 15 minutes is telling us. We are having opportunity here. You can see this with the opportunity we are having. Break of structure. This is the other block. So market mitigated it continued break. So let's see if we can see break of structure. We can see break of structure. If we see break of structure, we are coming here to buy. We are coming here to buy seriously. If we see any break of structure, we are coming there to buy. This is what the market is trying to do to us. If we see any break of structure, we are coming here to buy because this is where the FG is. We want to buy the market, we are buying from there. We are we are buying from there. This is what is happening. This is what is happening on 15-minute time frame. We are buying. Let's maybe the opportunity on GU also 15-minute time frame. There's no opportunity as for me. There's no opportunity yet. 15-minute time frame. Let's see if there's opportunity. This is the last break of social market came back to it. The market can come back to it this week because this we saw as opportunity. If market can come back to this one, consider the option. So let's see what is happening on UJ. This is what's happening on UJ. For monthly time frame, this serve as our what? As our turning point. You can see this is where the market started turning points. Yeah, this serve as our multiple rejection key level. This way the market is particularly and continuing the trend because the market is particularly and reacting to what's happening. This is our key level multiple rejection. This is our key level multiple rejection also. Let's now move to weekly time frame. Let's see what is happening on weekly time frame. This is what is happening on weekly time frame. These are weekly multiple rejection here, and these are weekly, let's say, turning points. These are weekly turning points here. This way the market talk for turn. This as for me, this is not finding anymore. This is where the market's on. So markets, let's now move to daily time frame. Let's see what is happening on daily time frame. Our swing high, our swing low. You can see this our swing high, this is our swing low, and this place our what? This is our opportunity because market has what touch it. You can see this is our resistance here because this is the first touch, this is the second touch, and the third touch. Let's see if this market is going to push it down, and let's see where we can see the opportunity to continue the buy. So we are expecting if maybe expecting if this low and give this will serve as liquidity for me. Let's see maybe this resistance is going to give us bullish because on daily time frame we are having FH here. We are still having FH, but due to the war that is happening between US and Iran, I don't know, maybe the market is coming back here, but we guys be following the opportunity we see. Let's see this. This is the last opportunity we are seeing here. This is the opportunity we are seeing here. This is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure here. This is the last break of structure here. That break of structure is not, it's not too clear itself, but if you move to 1 hour time frame, you can see. But I may see there's opportunity here because there's FEG here. On daily time frame, there's FEG over here. This is order block for me. This is order block for me. And this is last break of structure. You can see this is last break of structure. But we don't know what the market is trying to do. Seriously, we cannot know what the market is trying to do. We just need to react to the market. Seriously. Let's now move to 4 hours time frame. This is other block I'm expecting the market to mitigate the continue the uptrend. So let's see the opportunity market is trying to give us. But there's FEG on daily time frame on 4 hours time frame. This is our liquidity. Let's see what the market is trying to give us. Let's see what the market is in this supply zone. Let's see what that supply zone is trying to do. That swing is trying to do. Maybe the swing is strong to break the market down. But I'm expecting the market because this liquidity, I'm expecting the market to push down. But let's see if this can push the market down. Yeah, expecting. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is what is happening 1 hour time frame. This is what is FETA. There's FEG on this. There's FEG here. Let's see if this, if market, if market is going to respect this FEG. Let's see. This is what we are having. Let's move to GG. GG or multi time frame as usual. On monthly time frame, this is what we are having. We are having uptrend. These are what? These are multiple rejection. I'm expecting the market to what? To mitigate. But this is the what? The turning point. This is the turning point key level. This must be the level. This is turning point key level. You can see this turning point key level is one that is pushing the market. Let's see where it can push the market. And these are other multiple here that push the market up. And this are other key level also on monthly time frame that's going to issue. If market came back to it, it's going to be hard. So let's now move to weekly key level. Weekly, let's see our key level on weekly time frame. As for me, this key level here. You can see this is key level here. This is what? This is key level. This is key level as for me. This is key level. And this is another key level here. This is what? This is 20 point key level. You can see. Because this is 20 point key level here. So let's now move to, we can see this is 10 point key level. You can see 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These are other key level here also. This is 20 point key level here. This is 20 point key level here also. Let's see what market is trying to do. Sorry for that. On weekly, this is what 20 point key level, and let's move to daily time frame. This is daily time frame. This is what daily time frame is telling us. This is our swing high. This is our swing low, and this will serve as our swing high. All these ones serve as liquidity. Market has swept. You can see market swept the liquidity, mitigate this demand. After market mitigated this demand, let's see maybe there is opportunity to continue the market uptrend. Because market is in between what the swing low and the swing high. Let's move to the 4 hours time frame. Let's see if there is opportunity of 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what the market is trying to do give us. from the zone. Let's read it from the demand zone. This is the demand zone. This is the last break of structure here. And this is this is change of character here. Change of character and internal break of structure here. And there is opportunity here for me because there's FEG, there's small FEG over there. There is small FEG over here. Because if you want to say this is the what this is the this is the this is the this is the change of character order block that gave us this high, but we can use here because there's small FEG over here. Let's see what market is trying to do. Order block, all these hours liquidity for me. So as liquidity. So let's move to I don't know what happened to this mouse. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. Let's see what is happening 1 hour time frame. You can see if you want to redefine this, but you guys be patient because this is the way the market started 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 buying. This is the man zone where the market started buying. All these ones are just liquidity. Market mitigated it. Give us big structure. Market mitigated it again. Give us another good structure. But if we define this entry, if we define this other block of daily time frame, market is coming here because there's AVG over here. If we define the market is coming here. All these hours liquidity levels. Let's see what the market is trying to do. This is what I'm saying on GJ. This is what I'm saying on GJ, but we are saying we are buying. So let's see what market is having for us from here. Let's see what the market is having for us from here. So let's move to crypto. Let's see what crypto is doing. Our crypto, you already know. Our crypto is BTC and Ethereum. That's what we did. So let's start from monthly time frame. Or just give my last 3 minutes. I'm sorry for that, for just deleting those. Let's start from there. This is because this is turning key level first. This is our key level again. All these are, but this is the key level. This is the main key level here. Because this is the main key level here, and there is FEG here. So let's see what this market is trying to do. Let's move to for on weekly time frame. This is our weekly time frame. For weekly time frame, this is our key level here. We are saying this is our key level here and this is our key level here. Only just the recent key level I need. These are 20 points key level. I don't need that. I don't need that multiple key level again. These are 20 points key level. Let's now move to since we are and we can see these are our supply on key level. This is the last big construction on what on weekly key level. Let's move to daily time frame. This is our daily time frame. This is what we have on daily time frame. These are what these are swing high and this our swing low here on daily time frame. But these are recent swing high and these are our swing low. You can see market is in between the two, and this our what these are weekly, these are daily order block. And you can say daily supply also. Well, that is where this market started Right. Let's now move to 4 hours. This is 4 hours. This is the what? This is the change, last break of structure. This is change of character. Market came back to this change of character order block. Change of character order block. Market mitigated it. Give us last break of structure. This will be order block for us for the market. This will serve as liquidity. The reason why I'm still saying this serve as liquidity for me because there's FEG market is trying to mitigate. But let's now see what the recent trend is telling us. The recent trend is telling us we are what we are we are selling, and this is the last break. This is the last break of social market gave us because that is where the seller and that is where the seller started, and this is where the seller enter the market. This is where the market started. Let's see, and we are having what we are having opportunity here. We are having opportunity here. Other block. And as for me, there's FEG. This is where we are selling the market. There's what FEG. All these ones have as liquidity for me. All these have as liquidity for me. So I'm expecting this set from here. This is where I'm expecting to sell to mitigate this opportunity. The reason why I'm still buying is because there's FEG over here. You can see there's FEG. Market has not mitigated the FEG. There's FEG. If market mitigate this place, that's the reason why you can say I'm not waiting for what? I'm not waiting for I'm not waiting for buy. I'm not waiting for buy again. But let's see what market is trying to do. We are selling the markets from here. And let's see what market. Let's see Ethereum also. Ethereum also. This you can see this what this key level. This multiple rejection key level. This is another multiple rejection key level. This is what this 20 points key level where market has mitigated. This or this opportunity where market has mitigated. Let's move to weekly key level. Let's see our key level on weekly time frame. You can see this is our recent key level here. These are recent key level. These are our recent turning point key level. You can see this way the market started 21 to the level, and this way the market started 21 to 30. Yeah. So we are in market is in between this place. These are on daily time on weekly time frame. We are seeing what we are seeing break of structure here. This is break of structure, and we are seeing what we are seeing supply here. These are our supply. Let's now move to daily time frame. Let's see what daily time frame is trending on. This is daily time frame. This is our swing low and our swing high. You can see market is in between the swing low and the swing high, and this is the other block where we are expecting market. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what is happening on 4 hours. This is what is happening on 4 hours. This is the last break of structure, and this is the what? This is the change of character. This is change of character other block. Market mitigated it, and market came and want to give us another block of structure. You can see this is video so that's because the market give us one change of character or whatever. And this is there is FEG here, which means even if we are expecting the market to come back here, there's what there's you can see there is liquidity here. There's liquidity market need to sweat for continue. But let's see what the opportunity is telling or this what the opportunity is telling us from here. what the research trend is telling us, since we have known that we are buying, because on 4 hour step we are still looking for buy because there's FEG here. Let's now see what is happening on 4 hours. You can see this is the last break of structure on 4 hours. Break of structure, internal break of structure, and we are having what, we are having other block here. You can see the other block. This way we are having other block. And what we are having here is like we this is liquidity for me. This is liquidity for me. All this has liquidity because there's FEG here. So I'm expecting the market to come back here. So to dish us sell. The sell is still going to happen, but let's just wait. You can see the spark up, liquidity shape and continue and take our profit here. This way we are taking our profit and stop loss will be here. This is opportunity we are looking for on Ethereum because we are buying from here also. This is what you can see on. If you move to 1 hour time frame, let's see 1 hour time frame is sent to us. This 1 hour time frame, you can from here. This is an this is an opportunity for me because this serve as what? This serve as this serve as what? Breaker block from 1 hour time frame, and there's opportunity here. So let's just wait and figure where. But for me, this is what this is liquidity. You can see the liquidity on because there's FEG here. Market is coming back here, continue the downtrend. This is what we are having on BTC also on 1 hour BTC. I think we don't check 1 hour BTC. This is what is happening. You can see market is coming back to this FEG and continue this set from here. So after market took those liquidity out, so we are what? We are buying. But as for now, this is the liquidity market is going to sweat. They all because there's FEG on 4 hours. Those all those ones are liquidity. So all those ones are liquidity. This is the what we are looking for on the market. Let's see what you can say. I say we should wait. We are expecting the market from here. Same too on what on silver also. We are expecting the markets from there. Let's move to US 30. US 30. Let's see what US 30 is trying to tell us. So what we are seeing now, we got to be patient on the market. So it is good. It's advisable for us to stay in the to stay with our setup than to be chasing the market. If market did not come, maybe market use 3 days to come to our setup and give and dish us the profit. It's better than to be chasing the market and be losing money up and down. So you already know this is that you already know. My name is Abu01. Kindly don't forget to what to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. I pray we all have successful and profitable trade. We all be successful and profitable in our trading journey and in other skills we are doing. Peace and love. Have a beautiful week ahead. Have a beautiful day ahead. Today is our day, and this week is our week, and we are going to succeed. Thank peace and love.